Thinking about selling your home, but you're not sure what it's going to cost you? Hey, I'm Brian Dave with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Expect Realty. In today's video, I'm going to cover some of the pre-sale and sale costs of getting your home sold. So number one, pre-sale costs. This can be home inspections. You may want to get one done so that you can work off all those repairs. You may be looking at some maintenance things, deferred maintenance that you've overlooked or put off for a while that need to get taken care of, and you might consider doing some upgrades, upgrading lighting fixtures or plumbing fixtures and things like that, or doing some painting or spot painting. All this is cost in the pre-sale. Some other things to consider is if you do have homeowners dues and they haven't been paid up, you're going to want to take care of those, or maybe a homeowner association assessment. Make sure you get all that stuff taken care of before the sale. And these are all some of the pre-sale costs. You may also look at your property taxes, make sure they're up to date. If you're behind on those, they're going to come out at the end. And if you don't have enough equity to take care of that, go ahead and start working on figuring out a way to take care of those things. Number two is the actual cost of sales. Big one obviously is going to be commissions. Commissions are negotiable, and I've seen them range everywhere from 2% on the low end all the way up to 7% on the top. And what goes into this, it's just going to depend on how hard it is to get your home sold and how much marketing is going to get into it. You may have some add-ons, like you prefer to have a professional video done of your home, drone footage, paid advertising on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and such. You're also going to want to talk to the listing agent about what you're going to offer a buyer's brokerage. You may not want to offer them anything. You may want to offer a fixed amount, say 2, 3, 4% to get your home sold, or you may just want to disclose that you're open to negotiating it in the contract. Next thing is closing costs. Now in Mississippi, the seller really doesn't have any seller side closing costs. I've seen one title company that charged a nominal fee. I believe it was about $100 to the seller. And if you're not local, you live out of state now, you're not going to be at closing, you may do what's called a mail out, and there may be a fee for that, next day delivery, or if they use a mobile notary, there might be a cost there. Most costs fall on the buyer. Now, as we move into a more neutral market, we are seeing lots of seller concessions to help buyers with their closing costs. And this could be anything from 1 to 4%. Really depends on the loan and what the loan allows the seller to contribute. So you may see buyers asking anything from $2,000 up to $12,000, $13,000, even $15,000 in seller concessions. Now, all this is completely negotiable. And whenever you get the contract, you and your agent's going to sit down. They should do a net sheet for you, show you all those costs associated with getting your home closed, and you're going to just base it on what you're going to walk away with at the closing table. Now, the last thing that's not really a closing cost, but you should definitely consider it, and you're going to want to talk to your CPA, your accountant about it, is capital gains. But generally, if you've lived in the house 2 years out of a 5-year period, you're not going to have to pay that on the equity that you have in your house. So just consider that, talk to your accountant and see what that's going to cost you, because the government is going to want their money. So hey, again, I'm Brian Dave, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, serving the Mississippi Gulf Coast and all of the areas. If you got any questions about what it's going to cost you to get your home sold beyond what was in this video, reach out. I'd be glad to talk to you. If you know anybody in the market to buy, sell, invest in real estate, we can help. Send them our way. Truly appreciate it. And if you have an idea for a video, hey, send it to me. I'd love to make it for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well.